Hello, guys. Welcome back. Welcome back with the second puzzle. The second puzzle in this additional, not in today's newspaper on Monday, March the 27th, 2023. No, it's the additional of a while ago, the Saturday edition, March the 4th, 2023. I've already solved one puzzle. The letter Sudoku. So two puzzles are left. The tectonic with 1 star. In Dutch, they call it cyberblock. In Japanese, Suguru. And the second puzzle is a Sudoku with 2 stars. Sudoku with 2 stars, number 6184. Before I start, I always count the printed digits. Well, this one has, I believe, 26. Let me check. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Yes, indeed. 26 printed digits. It's a kind of indication of the difficulty level. The less printed digits, the more it will be difficult. But you cannot always say that. Sometimes you have a puzzle with a lot of pairs, a lot of hidden numbers, then you will need more time to solve that puzzle. But for 2 stars puzzle, I need 15 to 20 minutes to solve. That's my time limit. Alright, so let's get started. 2 in this column, last column, 2 in the column next. So that column, the only place left for the 2 should be there. Then 8, 8, 8, 8, okay. Alright, 9, 9. So we have a 9 there, 9, 9, 9. Oh, we have a pair. We have 8 and a 9 in this column. We have 8 and a 9 in the last column. Sorry, 8 and a 9 in this last row. So no 8 and a 9 in these two boxes. So we have 8 and 9 in the last row. So no 8 and a 9 in these two boxes. 8 and 9 goes in those two boxes as a pair. 8 and 9, 8 and 9. Alright. Then 6, 6, 6, 5, 5. Need a 2. Need a 3. Interesting. 9 and 8. 8, 8. Need a 9 here. Okay. 6, 6, 6. 6, 6. Come on. 3, 3, 3, 3, 3. Not the solution. 2, 2. Come on. 9 in this row. 9 in the middle row. So the row above, the only place left for the 9 should be there. 9 in the first column, 9 in the third column. So the column between the second column, the only place left for the 9 should be there. 9, 9. 9, 9. Okay. 8, 8. 8. Well, 1, 2, 3. 3 missing numbers in this row. One of the missing numbers is an 8. We have 8 in this big square, so no 8 in this box. So the 8 could be here or there in this row. Here or there, we see an 8 in the last column, so no 8 there. So the only place left for the 8 should be there. 2 missing numbers in this row then. The numbers are the 1 is missing, and the 2, the 3, the 4, the 5, and the 6 is missing. 1 and 6, 1 and 6. We have a 1 in this big square. No 1 there. 1 should be here, and the 6 goes there. Alright. 6, 6, 6, 6. Then 7. No 8 there. No 8 there. 8, 8. I'm thinking. 5. Need a 5 here. 5 there. Need a 3 there. Yeah. Need a 2, 3, need a 4, need a 5. Still thinking. 7. Need a 9 here. 9. 5. Need one number. 7. Come on. 3. 7 3. 1, 2, 3. Come on. This is taking too long. 3. 3, 4, 2, 1. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Need a 3. Could be a 3 here. Thinking. 2 in the first column, 2 in the second column. So in the first column, no, only 2 places left for the 2 should be here or there. You see a 2 in this row, no 2 there. 2 should be there. 2. Alright. Need a 2 here. 3, 2, 3. 3, 4. 2, 3, 4. So the 7 could be there. And 7 could be here. 7, 1. 6. Yeah. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 missing numbers in this big square. One of the missing numbers is 6. Yeah, we have a 6 in this row, so no 6 in these 2 boxes. We have a 6 in the last row, so no 6 in those 2 boxes. So 1 box left for the 6 in this big square. Should be there. We have a pair, I believe. The 3 and the 6 in the first column. The 3 and the 6 in the second column. So the first column, only 2 places left for the 3 and 6 goes in those 2 boxes as a pair. 3 and 6, the 3 and 6. Wait. 1, 2, 3, 4. Need a 5. 5. 1, 5. Need an 8. Yeah. 3 missing numbers in this big square. One of the missing number in this big square is number 8. We have 8 in this row, so no 8 in these 2 boxes. So 1 box left for the 8 in this big square. Should be there. 2 numbers left now in this big square for numbers. The 1 is missing, the 2, the 3, the 4, and the 5 is missing. 1 and 5. We have a 5 in the third column. No 5 there. 5 should be here, and the 1 goes there. Alright. Okay. 4 in the first column, 4 in the second column. So the third column, the only place left for the 4 should be there. 1 box left in the third column for the 1, the 2, 3, the 4, the 5, the 6, the 7, the 8 is missing. 8 in the third column, 8 in the second column. So in the first column, the only place left for the 8 should be there. 9 and 8. We have 8 now in this row. No 8 there. 8 should be here, and the 9 goes there. 2 missing numbers now in this big square for numbers. The 1 is missing. The 2, the 3, the 4, the 5, the 6, and the 7 is missing. 1 and a 7. 1 and a 7. You need to mark those boxes. Need a 2 there. 2, 3. 1 or 7. 7. Okay. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Yeah. Come on. 2. That means we need a 2 in this column. Yeah. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 missing numbers in this column. One of the missing numbers is 2. Here can be 2 because we have a 2 in this row, no 2 there. Here can be 2 because we have a 2 in this row, no 2 there. So the 2 could be here, or there in this column. Here, or there. You see a 2, another 2 in the third row, no 2 there. Here, 2 in the second row, no 2 there. So the only place left for the 2 should be there. And all the 2s, no, not use. Need a 2 there. Okay. Alright. 6 in this column, 6 in the middle column. So the column next, only 2 places left for the 6 should be here or there. You see a 6 in the second row, no 6 there. 6 should be there. Yeah. 4 missing numbers in this big square. One of the missing numbers is 6. We have a 6 in this column, so no 6 in these 2 boxes. So the 6 in this big square could be here, could be there. 6 in one of those 2 boxes in the last column, 6 in the column next. So in that column, the only 2 places left for the 6 should be here or there. We see a 6 in the third row, no 6 there. 6 should be there. Alright. 8 in the first row, 8 in the second row. So in the third row, the only 2 places left for the 8 should be here or there. We see an 8 in this column, no 8 there. 8 should be there. And all the 8s are used. I can't see. Digit number 1, number 8. Then 3, 3, 3, 3. Yeah. 3. 1, 3, 4. 1, 3, 4. 1, 3, 4. Come on. This is taking too long. 1. No 4 there. 4, 4. No 3 there. 3, 3. 4, 3. 1 and a 7. Yeah. Need 9 here. No 9 here. 9 in this column, 9 in that column. So the column between the middle column, no, need 2 places left for the 9 should be here. Or there, we see a 9 in the first row, no 9 there. 9 should be there. 9 in the first row, 9 in the second row. So the third row, the only 2 places left for the 9 should be here. Or there, we see a 9 in this column, no 9 there. 9 should be there. 9 in the last column, 9 in that column. So the column between, the only 2 places left for the 9 should be here or there. We see a 9 in this row, no 9 there. 9 should be there. And all the 9s are used. I can't see. Digit number 2, number 9. Alright. 7. Okay. I know. Come on. Thinking. 5 in this row, 5 in that row. So the row between the middle row, the only place left for the 5 should be there. Ooh, 2 and 4. 5 in this column, 5 in that column. So the column between the middle column, the only place left for the 5 should be there. 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 missing numbers in this big square. One of the missing numbers is 5. We have a 5 in the first row, no 5 in these 2 boxes. We have a 5 in this column, no 5 in that box. So the 5 in this big square could be here, could be there. 5 in the first row, 5 in one of those 2 boxes in the second row. So the third row, the only place left for the 5 should be there. 2 missing numbers in this big square. For numbers, the 1 is missing, the 2, the 3, the 4, the 5, the 6, and the 7 is missing. 1 and 7. We have a 7 in the second row, no 7 there. 7 should be here, and the 1 goes there. 7 in the first row, 7 in the second row. So the third row, the only place left for the 7 should be there. Then 1, 3, 4. 3 missing numbers in this big square. Those missing numbers are the 1 is missing, the 2, the 3 is missing, and the 4 is missing. 1, 3, 4. 1, 3, 4, 1, 3, 4, 1, 3, 4. And look, we have 3 and a 4 in the third row. So no 3 and a 4 in this box. 3 and a 4 goes in those two boxes as a pair. 3 and a 4, 3 and 4. So 1 digit left in this big square for number 1. 1 in the third row, 1 in the second row. So in the first row, only 2 places left for the 1 should be here or there. We see 1 in the last column, no 1 there. 1 should be there. All right. Okay. Then 3 and a 4. 5, 3 and a 4. Okay. 1, 3 and a 4. 7 and 5. Yeah. 5 in this row, 5 in the last row, so the row between. Only 2 places left for the 5 should be here or there. We see a 5 in this column, no 5 there. 5 should be there. 4 missing numbers now in this big square. One of the missing numbers is 7. We have a 7 in this column, so no 7 in these 3 boxes. So 1 box left for the 7 in this big square should be there. 1 and a 7. We have a 7 now in this row, no 7 there. 7 should be here, and the 1 goes there. The 1 in this column, the 1 in the middle column, so the column next, only 2 places left for the 1 should be here or there. We see a 1 in this row, no 1 there. 1 should be there. 1 in this row, 1 in the row below. So last row, only place left for the 1 should be there. 2 missing numbers in this big square for numbers. The 1 and 2, 3 is missing, and the 4 is missing. 3 and a 4, 3 and a 4. We have a 3 in this row, no 3 there. 3 should be here, and the 4 goes there. I marked those 2 boxes earlier with a 5. Now we have a 5 here in the last column, so no 5 there. 5 should be there. Then 1 box left in this row for number 1. The 2, the 3, the 4 is missing. 3 and the 4, we have a 4 now in this column. No 4 there. 4 should be here. The 3 goes there. 2 missing numbers in this big square for numbers. The 1, the 2 is missing, and the 3 is missing. 2, 3, 2, 3. We have a 3 in the middle column. No 3 there. 3 should be here, and the 2 goes there. 2 missing numbers in this big square for numbers. The 1, the 2 is missing, the 3 and the 4 is missing. 2 and the 4, 2 and the 4. We have a 4 in this column, no 4 there. 4 should be here, and the 2 goes there. 2 missing numbers in this column for numbers. The 1, the 2, the 3 is missing, and the 4 is missing. 3 and the 4, 3 and the 4. We have a 4 in this row, no 4 there. 4 should be here, and the 3 goes there. 3 and the 6, we have a 3 now in this row, no 3 there. 3 should be here, and the 6 goes there. 2 missing numbers in this big square for numbers. 1, the 2, 3, the 4, the 5, 6 is missing, and the 7 is missing. 6 and 7, 6 and 7. We have a 7 in the middle row, no 7 there. 7 should be here, and the 6 goes there. Final 2 numbers in this big square for numbers. 1, the 2, 3 is missing, and the 4 is missing. 3 and the 4, 3 and the 4. We have a 4 in the first row, no 4 there. 4 should be here, and the 3 goes there. Finish in 18 minutes. Well, told you, need 15 to 20 minutes to solve a 2 stars puzzle. And we solve it again, and I like this one, yes, I really do. Do you think so? Thumbs up, otherwise thumbs down. You can also download this PDF file so you can make it or solve it by yourself. Thank you again for watching, and we'll see you in a minute with the last puzzle for today. Tectonic with 1 star. Until then, bye-bye for now.